Hello, right now we will take a quick look about all box accessories on our Xiaomi Poco X7. So let's open up the box. And right here we have the phone itself, and below our phone we have this box right here with accessories. Let me take this out of this box. And on the bottom of our box we have the spin to eject our SIM tray from our phone. And as we open up the box, right here we have the silicone case, protective case. Let me take this out. Looks like this. Simple design, and the color is gray in my case. Alright, next we have the safety information, the quick start guide and warranty card, as you can see. And the last thing that we have right here is the charging cable. So basically that's all about the box accessories of our Xiaomi Poco X7. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.